PlanetTogether has flexible system settings so you can customize the app to support your daily workflows and for your convenience. Some settings address your individual needs, while other settings are for all users. To view or change the settings, click on the blue Settings tab in the upper left to reveal a list of system settings categories in the left navigation pane. In this video, we'll take a look at workspace settings. When you select Workspaces, your current workspace name, in this case default, is listed at the top. If you want to copy the workspace, you can use this icon. If you want to overwrite this workspace, you can use this icon, which will take your current workspace on the main screen and overwrite this one. The Workspaces tab shows you the list of workspaces that you have options to select. The Templates tab shows the workspaces that have been shared. If you want to select another workspace that has been shared with you, hover over it and click this upper right icon. After this refreshes, you'll notice the current workspace is now home. If I go back to the Workspaces tab, home has been added to the default. The Visual Factory tab can be used to list all the previews of your current workspaces that you have listed. You can set the settings for how many seconds each one is to be shown. And when you hit Start Visual Factory, it basically gives you a slideshow of what each workspace looks like. These tabs over here for Learning and Services are shortcuts to PlanetTogether's websites for knowledge and service. To return to the main screen, click the back arrow icon in the top left corner.